the ultimate photography masterclass. Let's talk about it. We will start with camera fundamentals, putting lenses, using lenses and all that. Mastering the manual mode will help you to be able to take control of your shots, both with the camera and also with the phone. Every picture has a story. Come with me and let's learn how to capture it. Good lighting is very critical for you to be able to get stunning images. We would learn about lenses. Then we will also look at white balance. We will explore different lighting techniques, different lighting you can use, as well as even lighting patterns. Join us at Davasha Media Academy and become the photographer you've always wanted.